In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use global search on Telegram step by step so you can find public channels, groups, and even specific posts faster than ever. If you use Telegram for news, communities, research, or discovering new content, this feature can save you a lot of time. And before we get into it, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Telegram desktop app and look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the search bar right there. Click inside that search field to activate it. This is where Telegram lets you search across your chats, contacts, and public content. Once the cursor is in the search bar, type in the name, topic, or keyword you want to look for. For example, you could type something like tech news, cryptocurrency, movie updates, or even the name of a public figure. As you type, Telegram will start filtering results instantly. Now, here's the important part. Under your regular chat history and local matches, Telegram will show a section labeled Global Search. This is where the real power of the feature comes in. Global Search displays matching public channels, public groups, and in some cases, even specific posts related to your keyword. So if you're looking for a topic that goes beyond your own chat list, this is the section you want to pay attention to. Take a moment to review the results carefully. You may see multiple channels or groups with similar names, so look at the descriptions, profile photos, and relevance before clicking anything. Once you find the result you want, just click it to open the channel or group and start viewing the content. If it's a public channel, you can browse recent posts right away. If it's a group, you can join and participate depending on the group settings. If you want to refine your search, simply go back to the search bar and try a more specific keyword. For example, instead of just tech, try Tech News Europe or AI updates today. The more specific you are, the more accurate your global search results will be. And that's really all there is to it. Telegram Global Search is a fast and easy way to discover public content without having to know the exact channel or group name beforehand. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Telegram tips, and I'll see you in the next one.